We're here at the Best Western Hotel here in Butte, Montana. Check out what we have here. Two ThyssenKrupps. Interesting. Floor indicator, there's a work suit with washless bungalow. For floor 1. Farted right in front of me. It's a nice elevator. It's just something I didn't see. They went 2-story height here. No, I think they did.
Add it on.
Yeah, because this is the part here. They just there's this one. It's kind of weird. They went with 2 hotels for 2 elevators for 2 floors. Excessive, yes. Okay, the floor indicator works in this one. See? Interesting. Okay, that works. It's lovely. Look at the stairs over there. See, that's the original part of the hotel. £2,500 capacity. These are your buttons here. Just scrub order traditional. And they were floor 1. Just threw this addition on here. All up there. See, these are the steps there. Those are rooms down there. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.